Hey there, I'm Nancy and I head up the affiliate team here at Teamwork. Welcome to our challenge announcement video for August. It's our birthday. We'd like to thank all our amazing affiliates for the last year. It's been amazing working with you, and to celebrate, we have organised something special for this month's challenge, but more on that in a second. Last month's challenge, we had some amazing results. You brought in over 2,000 trials, 48% of which were ICP. And better than that, we paid out over $17,000 in rewards. For this month's challenge, we have a $100 bonus up for grabs. Now you're probably asking, how can I earn this reward? It's simple. You just have to refer 25 free trials to Teamwork. And some of our top performing affiliates will be bumped up to a higher commission rate this month. You're all experts by now, so go grab your link from your dashboard, share Teamwork with your audience, and let the cash roll in. If you're not part of our program, there's a link in the description where you can sign up and start earning cash within 24 hours. Plus, since it's our birthday, we have some limited edition Teamwork affiliate t-shirts to give away to some of our top performing affiliates this month.